Hello everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Gil Trading and I'll be doing a pre-session analysis on EURUSD. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, please like, share and subscribe. All right, let me start. I'm going to start from the 4-hour time frame, EURUSD, the 4-hour time frame. I'm a day trader, so there's no need for me to go higher than this time frame. Okay, so the 4-hour swing structure is bullish. This is my 4-hour swing structure, where this is my weak swing high and this is my strong swing low. We had gotten at the start of the week we had gotten a bullish boss, and after a bullish boss, what do we expect? We should be expecting a pullback, for price to pull back. Then after the pullback, we can look to catch the swing higher low, targeting the weak swing high. So currently price is in the as I had said yesterday, from this week, it gave me the confirmation of, not a confirmation, like it just gave me a confirmation of the start of the swing pullback. So currently we are in the swing pullback phase, which I'm going to be playing for the session. So I'm going to be looking for shorts to play the swing pullback to discount demands. These are the two discount demands. I'll be looking to look for shorts to either of these demands, and once price mitigates these zones, the higher low could be formed from either of them. So once price mitigates them, I'll let the M15 guide me on if they'll hold. Also, on the 4-hour itself, it can help me to, I can read structure from it to see if the zones will hold. Like currently, price is forming this internal fractal order flow, which I am willing to follow to play the pullback. So if this order flow shifts bullish, then it will be a good confirmation that probably price will respect it until price takes out the weak swing high. So the current order flow, although this isn't a valid supply because it hasn't broken anything to the left. This is the last fractal low, and which needs to be broken, but it's too far. It's too far to use it. So I'll just follow this fractal order flow. With this order flow on the lower time frames, it's a significant structure. So it's like I'm reading the lower time frame from the higher time frame. So I'll be looking for shorts from this supply, which has caused a fractal boss. It is a sweep zone. It has swept liquidity, and it has also been formed through a decent momentum. So I'll be looking to catch, during the session, I'll be looking to catch the fractal high, or maybe the continuation of the leg to demand once price. So currently I'm only interested in shorts. For longs, I'll be interested in longs once price mitigates either this or this. Another way I can be interested in longs is if this order flow shifts bullish. But from this week, I'll only be interested with the longs once price mitigates this demand. A bullish church, I church, could be a sweep, something to be aware of. And also another thing you should be aware of is this structure over here. If you compare that structure with this is a minor structure compared to this. So maybe this bullish my swing boss could be a pullback to this larger swing structure. So if swing, let's say, switch bearish, I will not be surprised. I'll just know it had switched bullish to facilitate the pullback of this larger structure over here. So that's all from the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, price has mitigated also this, the edge of the supply, and we can see some reaction from it. Maybe price is likely to target the low, so I'll be looking to catch the continuation, or maybe it might want to mitigate deeper to the AQ of the POI before the fractal order flow continues. So let's drop down to the M15 to look for POIs to trade that bias. So on the M15, my swing structure is bullish. This is my swing structure. That's this is where this candle broke and closed above this high, confirming the swing breakout structure. And this is my strong swing low, and this is my weak swing high. So after the breakout structure, a swing pullback is expected, and price has been forming this internal structure, which has been useful to help facilitate the swing pullback. And as I had said on the 4-hour time frame, bullish iChurch could be just a liquidity sweep. So if we can see it even here on the M15, the bullish on the 4-hour HOK was an M15 internal breakout structure, which it turned out to be a fake break, and price came under because from that large wick, I just want to it's a move for price to pull back to this to demand. So I want to be looking for shorts, and the POIs I'm interested in to look for shorts are these. They're the ones that this and this. They're the ones that cause the internal breakout structure. So currently, internal is bearish to facilitate the swing pullback. Price has mitigated discount prices. That is something to be aware of. So the higher low could be formed from here, but from the higher time frame, I am willing to keep looking for shorts to this 4-hour demand. So what word? So what was I was this supply, which I'm interested in looking for shorts, and this. But there are zones which haven't been formed during today's sessions. So I'll be waiting for price to pull back to them, then wait for a bearish order flow shift from them to confirm that they're holding, and also to confirm that the internal pullback has ended and that price is ready now to target the weak internal low. Also, it's not a must for price to mitigate the zones. For these zones, then I'll get involved. If we get a bearish charge after mitigation of or from within this 4-hour supply, then I'll be willing to take shorts from the session supplies that will have formed after the order flow shift. So for the session, for shorts, I want to see price pullback to either of these two zones, this or this, or within just this 4-hour supply. If we see a bearish order flow within this 4-hour supply, then I'll look for shorts targeting this weak swing low. We have gotten a bearish church right now. We have just gotten a bearish church. The leg has been formed really correctively. It hasn't been formed with momentum like here. You see, the moment we got a bearish church here, the price, as in before we got the bearish church, the momentum, that's what I want to see so I can get involved, not this corrective price action. This doesn't show bearish intent, so it could be a fake break. So if during session we see a sweep of that high followed by a bearish church, then it will be great to short from. And also the bearish church, I want to see it form with momentum. Then I'll be interested to look for shorts from the supply that will have formed, targeting the weak internal low and potentially to these supplies, or just the edge of the 4-hour supply. But I don't like holding trades that much, so I'll just target the weak swing low. Another way we can get involved is if price this bearish church is still valid, and it's not a must price to form that momentum. So price can still go and take out the low. So if price comes and takes out this low, and this will be a new strong internal high. It will be a new high for me to work with. So I hope before price takes out the low, I wish price to form a supply, then the broker structure. Maybe price flips either this demand over here, it has caused a bullish torch. If price flips it, it will be great. Ideally, it also forms as it sweeps liquidity in its creation. Then we get the eyeballs. Then I'll be willing to look for shorts from the supply that will have formed during session that will have caused the bearish eyeballs. Yeah. Also, if price doesn't form a session supply here, and it just continues until it takes out the low, also this is a valid zone. If price pulls back during session, then we see a bearish order flow shift from it, then I'll be willing to look for shorts from that zone. For longs, I'll only be interested with longs once price mitigates this zone. Once price mitigates this zone, I'll look for phase B at best from the extreme, or if we get an order flow shift from this for our demand, then I'll be willing to look for longs from here. Or if, let's say, price pulls back, forming these internal structures, then after mitigating here, then we get a bullish eyeballs, then I'll look for longs from, although this needs a lot of time for this to form, but we'll see how price develops during session. So now it's for looking for shorts. I'll phase C shorts to demand, and once price mitigates demand, it's either we catch phase B or phase A. We look for those. We look to catch those higher lows until price takes out the weak swing high. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to leave even a comment. And I wish you all a wonderful and a blessed day.